Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best compact circular saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Tacklife TCS115A circular saw. Many people are skeptical about mini circular saws due to the lack of power, but our experts are here to put those concerns to rest. The mini circular saw from Tacklife can offer a 3,500 RPM, which can match some full-sized options in the market. The powerful motor can work with 6 different types of blades, making the saw suitable to tear through wood, plastics, tiles and more. For versatility, the Tacklife TCS115A circular saw gives bevel cuts of 90 and 45 degrees. There is also a double protection switch that will keep you safe by preventing the handheld tool from accidentally opening. Moving on at number 9, we have the WORX Worksaw compact circular saw. The WORX Worksaw compact circular saw is a very small and very lightweight design. If you are looking for a compact size first and foremost, then this saw is the product for you. It can still cut wood, metal, plastic and tile with ease thanks to the 3,500 speed. The thinner blade size allows the saw to work for longer with less strain. Since the mini saw is only 4.4 pounds, it makes it easy to operate it for an extended period without fatigue. The left-sided blade optimization gives you a direct view of the blade for excellent precision. The cutting-edge technology with the Worxsaw WX429L compact saw makes this one of the most coveted circular saws on the market. At number 8, we have the Genesis GCS445SE compact circular saw. The Genesis GCS445SE is the most affordable option for users who want a compact saw but don't want to spend a fortune. It may not have the powerful 5.8 amp motor of the Genesis GCS545C. Its 4.0 amp motor with a 3,500 RPM, 1, cuts through most materials easily. The carbide-tipped blade and the barrel grip provide excellent accuracy for long straight cuts with one-hand operation. To add to the convenience of this 17-inch circular saw, the cutting depth gauge lever and bevel controls are right at your fingertips and adjustable on the fly. You can change different high-quality circular saw blades quickly and safely, thanks to the spindle lock, which the Genesis GCS545C 5.8 amp motor also has. The dust extraction is also effortless, owing to the vacuum adapter. At number 7, we have the HYCHIKA compact circular saw. If you are looking for speed and power, look no further than the HYCHIKA compact circular saw. With 20 years of power tool manufacturing, this brand will ensure that the best quality and service are given to you. Compact mini circular saws usually come with an RPM of around 3,500 just like the Tacklife TCS115A, but this small circular saw from HYCHIKA has an impressive 4,500 RPM. The 4-amp copper motor is powerful and reliable, and this saw can cut through hard material with ease. This is possible due to its smaller 3 3/8-inch blade size that rotates after. You get 3 blades with this product, and the small circular saw is a tool that brings versatility to your workshop. Of course, the cutting depth is adjustable, and the circular saw also comes with a laser guide to improve precision. Though it isn't very heavy, the saw weighs 7 pounds, the soft rubber handle will greatly reduce fatigue after long hours of use. Additional point is that this compact saw comes with a carrying case. At number 6, we have the Tecpo mini circular saw. The small and compact saw design has a 4.8 amp copper motor and an RPM of 3,700. You can expect this circular saw to be able to cut line through most materials with its blade size options, which is why it's one of the best compact circular saw designs. If you're afraid of long cutting errors that are irreparable, the outfitted laser cutting guide will safely guide towards a flawless and straight line. For safety, this mini saw is constructed with a heavy-gauge iron wraparound base and an aluminum cover. For more protection, the Tecpo mini circular saw features a double safety button. It is suitable for straight cutting, plunge cutting, and flush cutting depth of 1-inch cutting capacity. The best thing about investing in circular saws is the compact and ergonomic build, which you can also expect from this product. At number 5, we have the Makita SH02R1 Cordless Circular Saw Kit. The last one is a cordless compact circular saw. This cordless saw is Makita's one of the best circular battery-powered saws found in the market. This saw is powered by two mighty 2.0 Ah CXT lithium-ion batteries. The 12 volts batteries can be extremely effective if we judge them based on their power and ability. They can generate a blade speed of 1500 RPM. It might seem less, but its capability is not something you should look down to. No matter if it's wood or particleboard or drywall or MDF, it can cut through all. Now, how deep you can cut is also an important fact. The depth factor is not compromised here. You can go as deep as 1 inch with its fine quality 3.375 inches blade. And this definitely will fulfill your regular need. At number 4, we have the Rockwell RK3441K Compact Circular Saw Kit. This is another Rockwell circular saw to rank in this list. This model of Rockwell circular saw is run by a 5-amp motor with a bigger power generating capability. This will give you a wider range of cutting capabilities. The saw is a versatile one. You can be creative and try on all your necessary cuts. It can also give you the bevel capacity of up to 45/0 to make essential bevel cuts. You can lock the head at your desired angle up to this limit. It has a rear motor design. The motor of the saw is placed on the handle. It might sound just a design, but it has been done so strategically. As the motor is on the handle, the hefty part remains on your hand, giving you better control of the device. The front part remains light and thus easier to move. At number 3, we have the Rockwell RK3440K Versacut Mini Circular Saw. Lightweight or the heavy one? Which one would you choose? Obviously the light one. Handheld tools are better when lighter. That's why now it's time for such a lightweight compact circular saw. This Rockwell RK3440K circular saw model weighs merely 4 pounds in total. Your hand won't feel anything when working with this saw. This feather-like circular saw is only light in weight, not in work. It can give you high performance for all your heavy-duty cutting projects. It can cut through wood like moving through butter. And its high blade revolving capability is the reason behind its such effectivity. Talking about versatility, it doesn't lack a thing. Name all the necessary cuts for woodworking, it can deliver you all. From rip cut to miter cut, from bevel to even plunge cut, it can help you with all. You can set the depth as per your need following the scale and make your desired cut. At number 2, we have the Dremel SM2002 Saw Max Toolkit. We chose this Dremel circular cutting tool as the best for beginners for its size, weight, and versatility. Everyone knows how adaptable these machines are, so if you want a comprehensive cutting tool, this Dremel has got you covered. So, why is it so good? It has a powerful 6-amp motor and worm drive gearing. Plus, it has a straight cut, plunge cut, and a flush cut setting. It covers all the bases for those needing an all-encompassing tool. And finally at number 1, we have the Genesis GCS545C Control Grip Compact Saw. Would it be odd if we told you that this circular saw costs less than an average meal for 2 in a restaurant? Well, believe it, because this Genesis model is such great value for money. It has an ergonomic grip, which is perfect for one-handed operation. It is lightweight, weighing just 6 pounds. Plus, it has a dust collector that attaches to a shop vacuum to remove any harmful pollutants safely. We love its cutting depth of 1.69 inches. And finally, its 5.8 amp motor is powerful enough to cut through hardwood, softwood, and composites. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.